now to that bombshell development in the investigation into former President Trump and his company. The first charges stemming from that probe filed overnight, and our chief Washington correspondent, John Carl, has been tracking all the latest. John, good morning to you, my friend.
Good morning, Michael. ABC News has learned that a grand jury has filed sealed criminal indictments against the Trump Organization and its chief financial officer, Alan Weisselberg. And Mr. Weisselberg has already turned himself in this morning to authorities in New York. This morning, after a 2-year investigation into Donald Trump's business dealings, the first criminal charges against his company have been filed and are now just hours away from being revealed in court. Sources briefed on the investigation tell ABC News the charges against the Trump Organization and its longtime chief financial officer, Alan Weisselberg, include tax fraud. Weisselberger has worked for the company since the 1970s. In one of his old books, Trump said of Weisselberg, quote, "He did whatever was necessary to protect the bottom line."
Replacing George this week is my chief financial officer, Alan Weisselberg. And you think George is tough? Wait till you see Alan.
Sources briefed on the investigation say the company and Weisselberg are accused of avoiding taxes on fringe benefits, including cars, school tuition, and rent-free apartments. The charges come after the Manhattan district attorney obtained Trump's tax returns and other financial records in a battle that went all the way to the Supreme Court. Trump has long insisted he runs a clean company and that the investigation is politically motivated.
The continuation of the greatest and most disgusting witch hunt of all time.
Weisselberg is the most important person in the Trump Organization who is not a member of the Trump family. The big question now, Michael, is whether prosecutors can get him to testify against Donald Trump. Although Mr. Trump is not charged today, not expected to be charged today, this may be only the beginning of the charges in this case.
I'm sure everybody will see how this is going to play out. John, thank you so much for that.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.